Hey Marcos, this is Bernie from Bepresent Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to speak to my associate Elizabeth earlier today. In this quick video, we're going to go over three things that you can start doing to beat out your competition, improve your website traffic, and bring in more online customers. Now you may be asking, why are we making this video? Well, in our research, we found a lot of small business owners, such as yourself, are too busy taking care of your customers and employees, and you just don't have time to learn how the internet works to bring in more customers. Now, we feel the only thing that's stopping you from hiring someone is that you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So we put together these attack plans and we give them away for free. Some people take these plans, they implement them on their own. Some people call us back. Whatever you decide to do is all good with us. After this video, if you feel like you want to chat a little bit more, feel free to give us a call. Our only goal here is to educate you on how the internet works and to make you more money. Now, the three things we're going to go over, one is going to be content, the second is going to be backlinks, and the third is going to be citations. Now, content is any words on a web page. Google likes to see approximately 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page, depending on the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything someone may type into Google looking for a particular product or service. Now, these keywords should be placed throughout your website within the content, telling Google exactly the terms that you want to be found for. So, for example, if you're a plumber in Oceanside, you want to have keywords on your website like plumber, Oceanside, leaks, flood, telling Google, who then tells the end user that you exist. So if I take a look at your page here, I can see that I found this website, which I believe that you guys are using. I also went to Yelp and I found this link here. And once I clicked on this link, I'm not sure if you guys are using this website as well, because it reloads and it comes up with this. So this is another website that I found out there for you guys. But for the purposes of this, um, video, I'm going to stick with this website here because I think this is the one that you guys are using or want to be ranked for or not ranked for. I'm not 100% sure. So again, I look at the content here and I can see this page. We can see that right now you guys have, if I take a look at how many words, you have 491 words on your web page. If we look at your next competitor, we can see these guys and we'll take a look at their site really quickly. They have some shingle samples, master elite, a picture of their family, which builds credibility for them, and some blogs that they have. Humanity of Habitat of Matt. Okay, so we can see how many words they have on their website now, and they have about 481 words. And we look at the third competitor, which is Craig's Roofing in your area. We can take their website really quickly. They have a caption page, um, expertise 2022, and we can see they have a decent amount of content on their page. So let's see what they have, how many words. Right now they have 771 words. So I think by taking your website and putting in more relevant content, um, we can easily, begin to outrank these guys from an organic standpoint. Now, again, if we take a look at this website that I did come up with, this is your other website, and which is not really well optimized and doesn't, you know, not really bringing you any traffic. We can see that there's no description here. Um, you have too many H1 tags here. So this site, if you wanted to use this one, really needs to be optimized. I would say, both sites are going to need about 1,000 more words on there. And what we can do is we kind of go out there and rebrand it and build you a nice new website. So for example, if I take a look at your site here, this site here, I have a client that he had a similar site to your site. So his site looked like this, and I can show you here as I scroll down. Is my client in Strasbourg. This was his site, almost similar to your site. So I think the same company built it. I then took information and I built him a nice new site. And here's his new site. He's ranking really well in Strasbourg, getting a lot of roofing clients. So I think that's what we would want to do for your site. Put more content on your website, build it up so you can get more traffic. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. Now, backlinks is anytime you see a clickable hyperlink leading from one website to another. Now, these links act as an endorsement of your website, which Google uses to build trust in your business. Now, the more, the more that Google sees your business out there, the more they're going to trust you. Now, the internet is literally like a popularity contest. The person with the most backlinks is going to win. But just keep in mind, not every backlink is created equal, so you want to be careful. You want to go out there and get relevant backlinks. You want to go out there and get a backlink from Domino's Pizza or Pizza Hut because Google knows that you guys are not a pizza company. So I use a paid tool to check backlinks. So we can see right here, here's your website. Right now you're being found for you have one backlink on your website and you're being found for 5 keywords, which is giving you 0 traffic to your website every single month. If we take a look at your next competitor, we can see here that they have, once it loads, 241 backlinks. They have about 1,800 keywords on their website, and every single month they're getting 711 clicks to their website every single month. And we take a look at the third competitor, we can see here that they have 151 backlinks, which means links from other websites pointing to their website. They're being found for 228 keywords, and they're getting 301 clicks every single month to their website. Okay, so I think that the next thing we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about something that's called a citation. Now, a citation is anytime you see your name, address, or phone number appear in a directory exactly as it is on your Google business profile. Now, these citations, they help you rank in the Google Map Pack, which is extremely important for small local businesses like yourself, since it brings in a huge amount of revenue. Your citations, the more your citations go up, your name, your address, and phone number appear in directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, social media accounts. The idea is for Google to see your brand all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google's going to trust you. And once Google sees your business more than your competitors, they're going to rank you higher than your competitors. So I did a basic search here. So we did roofers, Akron, Ohio. We see that this search gets 480 clicks every single month. We know that these are sponsored ads here, so people are paying to be up here. This is the map pack. So for example, homegrown roofers, if they're in 40 directories, we want to go out there and get into 60 or 70 directories. If legacy roofing is in 80 directories, we want to go out there and get into 90 to 100 directories. We want to be in more directories than these guys, so Google sees us out there more than our competition. Now, 40% of the people who are looking for a roofer, if they type in roofers Akron, Ohio, 40% are going to click here into the map pack section, and the other 30% are probably going to click here, which we have these guys ranking organically again, which is your competition, and we have Craig ranking here on the first page of Google, which is a competitor too. So how are they doing that? They're doing it through a backlinking strategy, and they're doing it through citations, and they're doing it through content. So in wrapping up, I want to say thank you for watching the video. Now you can do one of two things with this information. You can go out there and implement this plan on your own. Just keep in mind, it does take time to get started. So the sooner you start, the sooner you put this plan in place, the sooner you're going to see your profits start to roll in. If you feel like you need more information, I'm going to leave my number at the bottom of the screen. You can always give me a call, but I will follow up after, within a day or two, just to see what you thought about the video. I want to say thank you for watching and have a great day.